Hello friends, vacancy है, Facility Management Company, recruitment to Qatar. Walk-in interview on O3 Road July 2024 at Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Maintenance Supervisor, MEP. Agriculture Supervisor. Food and Beverage Supervisor. Hygiene Officer. Electronic Technician. Instrumentation Technician. Mechanical Technician, Pump. Water Plant and Wells Operator. CNC Machine Technician. Generator Technician. Building Electrician. AC Technician. Networks Pumping Stations Operator. Admin, Document Controller, Catering Express. HVAC Technician. Furniture Carpenter. Rope Access Cleaner, Level 1 and 2. Rope Access Supervisor, Level 3. Plumber. Kitchen Steward. Pest Control Supervisor. Pest Control Technician. Storekeeper, Catering Express. HSE Officer, Rope Access Express. Walk-in interview on O3 Road July 2024 at Chennai. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting. Hello friends, vacancy है, Sharfa International Company Jobs Vacancy, Client Interview. HVAC Technician 1600 Saudi Riyals. AC Technician 1500 Saudi Riyals. Electrician 1500 Saudi Riyals. Plumber 1500 Saudi Riyals. Generator Technician 1500 Saudi Riyals. Operator 2500 Saudi Riyals. Mechanic 2500 Saudi Riyals. Electronic Technician 1600 Saudi Riyals. Instrument Technician 1600 Saudi Riyals. CNC Machine Technician 1600 Saudi Riyals. Operator of Water Plant and Wells 1600 Saudi Riyals. Pump Technician 1600 Saudi Riyals. Safety Officer Rope Access Cleaning 3500 Saudi Riyals. Wall Painter 1400 Saudi Riyals. Carpenter 1400 Saudi Riyals. Mason Tile, Block 1400 Saudi Riyals. Maintenance Supervisor 2500 Saudi Riyals. Agriculture Supervisor 2500 Saudi Riyals. Level 3 Rope Access Supervisor 4500 Saudi Riyals. Level 2 Rope Access Cleaner 1800 Saudi Riyals. Level 1 Rope Access Cleaner 1500 Saudi Riyals. ITI, Diploma with minimum of 5 years experience. Age limit 22 to 40 years. Benefits provided by company. Hello friends, vacancy है, desired candidate profile. Must have 4 to 5 years experience in facility management field. Pump mechanic 2000 Saudi Riyals. Maintenance planner 2000 Saudi Riyals. SAP material controller 1500 Saudi Riyals. Light equipment supervisor 3000 Saudi Riyals. Heavy equipment supervisor 4000 Saudi Riyals. Heavy equipment mechanic 2000 Saudi Riyals. Mechanical technician 2000 Saudi Riyals. Auto electrician 2000 Saudi Riyals. Tireman 1300 Saudi Riyals. Training engineer 2000 Saudi Riyals. Denter cum welder 1400 Saudi Riyals. Painter 1400 Saudi Riyals. Document controller 1814 Saudi Riyals. Expert Arabia Saudi Arabia jobs vacancy, client interview. Walk-in interview on shortly at Jamshedpur. Send your updated CV and supporting documents for shortlisting.